Hey guys, this is Luis Berdiwan, and today I'll be teaching how to inscribe triangles in a circle. First of all, you might be wondering what inscribe means. Inscribe means to enclose all points of a triangle in a circle. Take note that this method only works for all triangles and regular polygons. The materials you need is a compass, a ruler, a pencil, or any writing material. So first of all, let us start with this scalene triangle. Now the first step to inscribing a triangle in a circle is to draw perpendicular bisectors on all the line segments. Now how do you draw a perpendicular bisector? You can draw a perpendicular bisector by connecting the tip of the compass to one of the points, like for example point B to point A, then set it more than halfway to their distance. It doesn't matter what distance as long as it's more than halfway. Then draw your first arc. Now, without changing the length of the compass, what you can do is set the tip of the compass to point A, which is the other side of the earlier that we draw, then draw another arc. As you can see, there's 2 points where these arcs that we created earlier intersect. What you can do then is connect those 2 points and create a line segment. Now what this line segment creates is a perpendicular bisector. Next step is to do the same step for all the line segments of this triangle. So if we continue doing this for line segment B and C, and they do the same steps, create your arcs. Let me just connect this arc and draw your line segment to connect them. Now I recommend for you to make the lines, your perpendicular bisectors, draw them longer so that you will see where they intersect later on. And that's the second point, and the last point is from point A to point C. Now that you have connected your last line segment, your perpendicular bisector, you can see that there's a point where all those perpendicular bisectors intersect. Now with that, we can call that the centroid of the circle, which means the centroid means it's the center of the circle. Now what do we know about that? We know that this point should be equal distances from point A, point B, and point C. And using that, we can connect the center of the circle to one of the points. For example, let's do point A, and connect the tip of your compass and the pencil to point A. Then now you can draw your circle. And now you have inscribed your triangle in a circle. Now let's review the steps on how to do this again. First, you draw your perpendicular bisectors. Second, you find the point or intersection from the perpendicular bisectors. Third, using the point of intersection as center, connect compass to the center and one point of the triangle. And the last step is to draw your circle. Now as you can see, this is what we did right now. Take note again that this method only works for all kinds of triangle, isosceles, equilateral, or scalene triangles we have done now, and right triangles too, and also it only works